my channel. So if you guys checked out my recent post on Instagram asking if you guys would like to see 9 days of Navratri look according to different colors, so I thought why not create each day according to the Navratri colors. And the first day being blue, I did this look right here. It's a very easy, simple, like a blue eyeshadow kind of makeup look, and I wanted to keep the rest of the face, of course, very simple, and the lips very neutral. I try to pair it up with my dress shade. Of course, you can do whatever you want. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching.
So first I'm going to start off with this Sol Janeiro moisturizer. I'm going to put that on my face just so you know I have no dry patches. Moisturizing is very important. Next, I'm going to take the Becca backlight filter. This is something I got from my BoxyCharm, and I'm going to put that on my face just to give that beautiful radiant glow. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline concealer and I'm going to put that on my eyes all the way up till the brow bone because I do want to color correct, and then I'm just going with a brush and just kind of blending it in. Then I'm taking the Mars palette and I'm taking this really kind of bone color and I'm going to put that on my eyelids to set that primer in, or that concealer that we applied, so that the shadows that we apply next, really blend in very well. And this technique really works very well. The shade is just going to blend in beautifully. Next, I'm taking the Perception palette by Sheila X Colourpop, and then I'm going to take this burnt orange shade and put that all over my lid because this is what I'm going to be using as a transition shade to give that beautiful smoked out look. Next, I'm taking the Magic palette by Juvias Place and I'm mixing these two blue shades, and I'm using the R39 brush from Morphe and patting that all over my lid. You don't have to be very precise, just make sure that at the end of it you blend off everything very smoothly and very nicely, so that there are no harsh edges. From the same palette, I'm going to take that blue shade. Now this has very tiny specks of shimmer in it. I'm going to spritz it and I'm going to put that all over my lid, basically from the inner corner to my 2/3, and just kind of pat it on my lid. And then I'm going to go ahead and then blend everything so there are no harsh edges. And then I'm going to go and just wipe it off to create a beautiful kind of winged out, feather out look. Then taking the MAC Face and Body Foundation, I think I'm in the shade C4. I'm going to put that on my face and blend it in using a PAC blending sponge. Then taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, I'm going to conceal my under eyes. I love this concealer. I do have a review, so check it above. Then I'm going to go ahead and just set my under eyes using the Laura Mercier powder. Then I'm taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer and I'm going to bronze my entire face, and I'm using E34 brush if I'm not wrong, and I just love this brush for bronzing. It's just beautiful. Then taking the Iman, it's a blush bronzer thingy, I'm just taking that and just putting it all over my cheeks, and I'm using the PAC, I think 301 brush. Back into the same palette, I'm going to take that blue shade and smoke out my lower lash line. Next, going into the Perception palette, I'm going to mix those two shades, and again I'm going to put that in my lower lash line to kind of create that beautiful smoked out look. Next, I'm going to take my NYX micro pencil and I'm going to just fill in my eyebrows just the usual. Then taking the Nykaa Glow highlighter, I'm going to take the shade 24 Glam, this palette, and then put it in the high points of my face. Next, I'm taking the Chambord pencil, and this is such a beautiful, super pigmented eye pencil. I'm going to put it in my waterline. Then going back into the same highlighter palette, I'm going to put that in my inner corner and in under my brow bone area. Then taking my PAC lip liner in the shade Brown to Earth, I'm going to line my lips. And then I'm taking Nutcracker from PAC Cosmetics and I'm going to put that on my lips. This is a beautiful shade. And then taking the Essence Princess Lashes Mascara, I'm going to go ahead and coat my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm taking these Battington lashes. I got this in a BoxyCharm. I'm going to go ahead and pop my lashes on. I'm going to take my Thrive Cosmetics Black Kohl pencil and tightline my eyes. I'm going to finish my makeup off with a PAC Micro Fixer.
That's about it, you guys. This is the look, and I hope you guys are subscribed to my channel and also hit that notification button so you are updated every time I upload a video, and especially right now because I'm planning to do like 9 days. So make sure you are updated, and if you're following me on my social media, I will leave the links right here so you can check them out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.